I had already put on foundation, so I'm about to do my eyebrows, and I just follow along my natural brow line. Next, I use the concealers that don't fit my skin tone as an eyeshadow primer. I do my eyeshadow, and I was actually so sad that this one broke. It's such a pretty color. I used this makeup wipe to wipe all the foundation that was on my lips off. Remember this morning I was trying to leave out my room quietly because my roommate was asleep still, but I forgot to show what I had today. I have this red striped shirt, it's from Shein. I have these pants, these dark jeans from Aeropostale, and I'm wearing these white high top converse. So yeah.